Hello guys and welcome back to my channel for people who know me and people who don't know me. Hi, my name is Dhruvi and I'll be really happy if you take a moment to subscribe to my channel below. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys makeup products under 200 rupees. So if you are interested then keep on watching till the end. So the first product I have is this Pond's moisturizer. This is the big tub. You will get the smaller tub under 200 rupees. This is for 300 rupees, 299. But you will get this in a smaller version for under 200 rupees. So the second recommendation is this serum. This is a face serum from NY Bay. So this is how it looks like, and it's for 225 rupees, but you will get it always on sale on Purple. So this NYB is always on sale on Purple, so you will get this under 200 rupees for sure. The next thing I have is this foundation. This is from Stay Quirky liquid foundation, and this is in the shade Be Rude and Nude 6, and this is for 165 rupees. It's a very sheer foundation. It's not full coverage or nothing. It will not hide your pimples or pigmentation or anything. It's a very everyday kind of a foundation, and it's under 200 rupees. It's for 165, so you can check this out as well. So the next foundation I have is this from Insight Cosmetics. It's the Stay Matte Liquid Foundation. It's oil free, full coverage, matte finish, studio finish and paraben free. It's for 110 rupees, but you will get it under 200 rupees on Nykaa, and it's a very good foundation. The next thing I have is this from Insight Cosmetics. This is 2-in-1. First it has compact, then it has a little shimmer kind of compact, and next this has this pata nahi. So it's a very good compact powder. It's for 125 rupees, but again you will get it under 200 rupees or whenever it's on sale. And this is in the shade 02 medium beige. This is the Pond's BB Plus cream. It's a BB cream, and this is for 67 rupees. This much you will get for 67 rupees, and it's an everyday. If you don't wear foundation, so you can go with this. So for blush I have this. This is from I Love Matte Blush from SFR Colors. This has two shades. This is a little peach orange, and this is a pink shade. It's a very good blush. You will get this on Amazon or Flipkart. So I don't have any eyeshadow palettes, not even the smallest or single ones. I have the whole palette, but it's not under 200 rupees. I have only one eyeshadow palette, which is this. ये थोड़ा टूट गया है, so don't mind. This is from Wet n Wild. This is in the shade 331 I Dream for Greeny, and this is for 300 rupees, but it's always under 200 rupees on Nykaa or Purple, I guess. So it's a very nice. This is the eyelid one. खराब हो गया पूरा छोड़. And here they gives a brush which is of no use. The next thing I have is this concealer from NY Bay. This is for 195 rupees, and it's a very lightweight concealer. So for eyebrows I have this. This is from Miss Claire waterproof eyebrow pencil, and this is in the shade 02 dark brown. It's a very waxy. This is not drying. It's very waxy. It will make your brows in place. क्योंकि जो पाउडर, अगर कोई भी पाउडर वाले जो आई पेंसिल्स या कुछ भी होते हैं वो सेट नहीं करते आईब्रोज़ को, बट दिस विल set your eyebrows, and this has this pulley which is of no use. So for eyeliner I have this from LA Colors liquid eyeliner, and this is in the shade black. This is in the shade black and it's for 125 rupees. We'll get this much amount of 125 rupees. It's very jet black shade. You can swatch it once and it's done. So for kajal we have that old goodie which is the Maybelline Colossal Kajal. This is the kajal and it's smudge proof and it's under 120 and it's under 200 rupees. So for lip liner I have this. This is the range of Swiss Beauty Bold Lip Liner. You will not get a single shade of this. You will get a bunch of lip liners which has I think 12 shades. I have this from this of Cherry Brown 06. You will get this on Nykaa. It's very cheap, under 400. You will get 12 lip.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
You will get 12 lip liners which is worth it, and it's very pigmented. You can see this, it's very pigmented. You have to just sharpen it. So last we have lipsticks. I have 5 lipsticks.
Stop it. Get some help.
The first one is this from Inside Cosmetics. This is the non-transfer color and this is in the shade Cocoa Plum 05. This is for 75 rupees and you will get this much of the product. This is the shade. It's a very beautiful maroon kind of shade, and this has a bit of chunks नहीं, मतलब एकदम ध्यान से देखेंगे ना तो ही दिखेगा. आई डोंट नो यू कैन सी दिस और नॉट. एकदम ध्यान से देखेंगे तो ही दिखेगा, बट चलता है. 75 rupees. So next lipstick I have is this from LA Teen Colourpop Matte. This is in the shade R36 Spine, Red Spine, and this is for 100 rupees. It's a bullet lipstick and this is how the shade looks like. It smells so good. Too many shades of this lipstick. This is R36 and I have R33 और R38 as well. दोनों सेम दिखते हैं. मुझे नहीं पता था कि ये मेरे पास पहले से है. Next lipstick is from NY Bay Runway. This is in the shade Closer 18. This is, I don't know for how much. So this is how the shade looks like. It's a very rich pink shade, hot pink I would say, and it's not a matte, liquid matte kind of lipstick. It's a bullet lipstick, so it will be creamy and it will get transferred. Next lipstick I have is this from NY Bay and this is in the shade Peppy Persian 1. This is how the shade looks like. It's a very brown nude lipstick and this is the shade. It's for 149 rupees. Oh my, मेरा favorite lipstick. It's for 149 rupees and it's a quite good lipstick and I like this shade a lot. The last lipstick I have is a liquid lipstick, and this is the Blue Heaven Lip Matte Lip color, and this is in the shade 03. It's a very rich red shade. Before using this lipstick, make sure you hydrate your lips properly because it's very drying. It doesn't dry that quickly, but सूख गया एक बार तो एकदम पैची लगेगा लिप्स पे. So make sure you apply a very nice layer of lip balm before using this lipstick. So this was the last lipstick I have. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll be making more such kind of videos under 200 जैसे मैंने बनाया, under 100, under 300, 500 such kind of videos. So if you are interested, then let me know in the comment section below and make sure you follow me on my Instagram. Bye.